wide open. Raimundo, putback is good.
And the second chance points for Pupils really killing Santa Lucia in this ball game. They've been out-rebounding, they've been out-hustling Santa Lucia. And we're talking about the nose for the ball. They have the nose tonight.
Speaking of the nose, maybe Pure Fruits is beginning to smell a victory here in Game 3. Lamang na po sila ng 10 puntos, 110-100 with 2:46 remaining sa larong ito. And certainly a lot of things went the way of Pure Fruits. As you look at Mayor Mon Ilagan of Cainta, Rizal. Mon Ilagan, of course, a successful broadcaster before entering the world of public service and politics. Everybody's here.
Oo. Pero bago, di ka nga, pumasok sa isipan mo yung magpupolitika, si Mayor Mon Ilagan is a very credible broadcaster bago naging mayor.
Absolutely. Oh, here's James Yap on the move. James Yap will miss. Fingers with the rebound. Fingers will score it. Pure is on fire.
Again on second serving, ang mga taga-Pure Bulls, talagang yung finishing kick na hinahanap natin dito sa fourth quarter, ipinapakita na malalaking mga sipa na ang kanilang ibinibigay.
And now Dennis Espino will try to silence this crowd a bit with that reverse layup, pero 10 puntos pa rin ang lamang dito ng Pure Fruits. Look at Roger Yap go!
One throw-in layup para kay Roger Yap and the Santa Lucia. The vaunted Santa Lucia defense is definitely absent in that play.
Ito na, outlast 2 minutes at ito yun ang outlast. Maintenance-free batteries, walang dagdag-bawas sa tubig. And well, Dennis Espino, pilit pa rin binubuhay ang Santa Lucia, bagamat nauubusan na ng oras ang Realtors dito, Espino with 20 points.
But what's going for Pure Fruits, dito pa sa fourth quarter nila itinala ang kanilang pinakamalaking kalamangan na 12 points. Although ngayon ay bumaba na yan sa 10, but they still have possession. Players like Noy Castillo, dito lamang sa second half pinasok, sinasabi natin malamig. But even then, he's contributing. Second half. Ito ang half ng Santa Lucia. So far, even from the semis, dito sa finals, laging pumuputok, but not tonight.
This by Paulo Mendoza. And I think at this point, alam na ng Santa Lucia that Pure Fruits is a minute away from getting a win in this series. Here's James Yap. Spins. Hammered.
Pero ngingitan lamang ni James Yap yan. Alam niya, may ibibigay at may ibibigay sa kanya to send a message na maaring panalo kayo sa laban pero hindi pa tapos ang ating serye. But si James Yap, the veteran that he is, he would just smile it off. James Yap will go to the free throw line. He would earn his points. Sabi nga natin, hindi problema yan. He now has 25, will get his 26. Kapareho na point production ni Gerby Raimundo. But, you know, it was made possible by the other contributors, the helping hand, giving a hand to the hand. So, kaya sila nagkakamayan ngayon. A 13-point lead for the Pure Fruits Giants. They will earn their first victory dito sa ating best of 7 series.
Ano ang mga tamang ginawa ng Pure Fruits sa larong ito?
Well, nagsimula ang laban. Maaaring binabanggit nga natin yung mga foul, yung mga mensahe na binigay ni RC Larong. Unang message doon, they are ready. Pangalawa, yung adjustment na ginawa ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Unburdening James Yap with the scoring load. Ang daming tumulong sa kanya dito. And it made the difference as James Yap retaliated. Akala ko nakalimutan niya na binigay niya na rin si Joseph Yeo.
Well, these two gentlemen know each other very well.
Philip Butel, Norman Gonzalez, Dennis Daa, and Paulo Mendoza. So, ika nga, nakatapat naman nila, Chico Lanete, Jonathan Salvador, Rob Sanz, Artie Larong at Noy Castillo. So, segundo na lamang ang pinag-uusapan natin, but we are intently watching.
And nobody is leaving the big though. Because alam nila, very tense ang atmosphere dito with less than a minute to go. This will certainly set up very intriguing Game 4 on Friday. So here's Coronel over to Paulo Mendoza. Here's Mendoza on the move. Mendoza and ball will roll out. It will stay with Santa Lucia with 6 to shoot.
Sayang si Paulo, maganda yung pasok niya kanina pero hindi na ulit siya nabigyan ng niyang minuto. So napako na yung production niya to 5 points.
Here's Mendoza. He'll take the three and he will miss it. Ball na ni Dennis Daa. Daa makes his move and Daa will miss. One more try and it's good.
So Dennis Daa will tally his first 2 points pero it's still an 11-point lead for Pure Foods. Definitely would raise the seconds here.
The Pure Foods is back in the series with impressive performances from Peter Jun Simon. And of course, your customary 20-plus ball games from Kirby Raimundo and James Yap. As Ardy Larong misses that 3-point shot, rebound para kay Daa. Game 4 will be on Friday. Dito pa rin sa Big Dome. Santa Lucia, they were hoping to build a 3-0 lead. Instead, Pure Foods is back in the series.
Yung pahabol natin na body language na kailangan tingnan ng Pure Foods, the finishing kick was definitely there, Migo.
Awesome second half performance by Pure Foods to claw their way back in the series. They win Game 3, 118-107. And Peter Jun Simon, the man of the moment. So Pure Foods gets their first win in the series. 1 down, 3 to go. Pero kung tatanungin ng Santa Lucia, as far as they're concerned, lamang pa rin sila 2-1.
Correctly so. At sila naman ang maraming pag-iisipan, no? Kahit sila ay nakakalamang dahil definitely Pure Foods, ang Pure Foods nakapag-adjust na doon sa mga ibinigay na leksyon sa kanila ng Santa Lucia in the first 2 games.
So ito ang final score here in Game 3. Pure Foods winning over Santa Lucia 118-107
of Santa Lucia tonight. At ang ating best player, walang iba, kundi si Peter Jun Simon. His explosion tonight is the scoring burden. Both Kirby Raimundo and James Yap, pare-pareho silang natapos with 26 points. But those 26 points of Peter Jun Simon, walang kapalit ngayong gabing ito.
My partner, Rado Di Maliban, our director, Ravi Romano. I'm Miko Halili saying good night. Bella Alta, Filipinas. This is the PBA on ABC.